chapter 4, 13 to 17.
James chapter 4,
Oo. Basahon sa ano?
Okay.
James chapter 4, verse 13 to 17. Come now, you who say, today or tomorrow we will go to such and such a city, spend a year there, buy and sell, and make a profit. 14. Whereas you do not know what will happen tomorrow, for what is your life? Question. It is even a vapor that appears for a little while and then vanishes away. 15. Instead, you ought to say, if the Lord wills, we shall live and do this or that. 16. But now you boast in your arrogance. All such boasting is evil. 17. Therefore, to him who knows to do good and does not do it, to him it is sin. So, number 1, kung a question, kaning, unsay pasabot aning niingon siya, come now. Come now is the time.
Doon karon.
Kuan, according din sa Bible Dictionary, ang pag-ingon day of come now or katong go to now is to arrest attention sa mga, para kuhaon niya ang attention sa iyang mga early Jewish scattered Christians. And then kuan dayon. Kaning you in the passage kay natubag naman gihapon ni siya sa katong BRI. So number 3 na kung a question. What does it mean when you say today or tomorrow? Mali ang question. What does it mean sa kaning ginaingon niya nga today or tomorrow we will go to such and such a city?
Sige. Okay, continue and spend it there and make a profit.
And make a profit.
So what does it mean?
So isa na siya ka-phrase. Phrase. Kuha na akong answer kay...
Wait ka.
Huh?
Wait ka.
Ikurag ako, Pastor, ha? Akong answer kay... Kaning naingon siya ko ano, today or tomorrow we will go. Kaning in such a country, a place of great trade and merchandise, according sa dictionary, that is they say without any proper... Kaya di ba naingon man siya, spend a year there. So, kumbaga, na sila, kanang certain sila bitaw nga, for that year, sure yun sila nga, mo spend sila, kanang, sure na yun sila sa ilang kinabuhi ba?
Overconfidence.
Yes, kana. That is, they say this without any proper sense of the uncertainty of life and of their absolute dependence on God. Tapos,
then 14.
Unsay tomorrow? Tomorrow means...
Ano siya na phrase?
By phrase, no?
Yet, you do not know what tomorrow will bring. What is your life?
So, you do not know what will happen tomorrow.
Pwede na doon. Taas ng gig.
Hindi, wala na akong kasagot na yun. Di paano wala ka siya pag-question, what does the author means for asking what is your life? Kanang ngayon, hindi ko siya pastor na what is your life? Ako po siya di-question pa, nga nung nakapangkala siya na what is, nga nung nakakala siya what is your life? Kaya, basahan lang ako kung i-answer ko kung sakto ba niya siya. Kaning what does the author means in asking what is your life? So,
Sige, nakuha na ito ni mo kanina. Diba, today or tomorrow will be going such. Ibig sabihin, nagaplano sila na bato sa certain place. they overconfidence, nga mahitabo kini ilang plano. Nga mag-trade sila dito, maka-income din sila dito. But yet, kung sa ingon diri, yet you do not know what tomorrow will
Ito yung
bring.
mahitabo. Uma.
Ibig sabihin, huwag mo kabalo kung sa'yo mahitabo sa kanang sa pagkaumana. Kung sa day pagkaumana mahitabo, pwede yun sa what is your life? Kung sa day mong ginabuhi, sama na rin na samsa for your needs that appears for little time and then babanish. Pwedeng mawala. Ano? Ibig sabihin, nagplano pa lang sila and then yet, overconfident sila na mahitabo to that time, nga kanang time. Pero pwede dahil ito nga mawala lang yapon mo.
Wala assurance.
Wala assurance nga ma-achieve nyo to. Maka-income mo ako mga profit. Kaya naman, overconfident sila.
So, manong problem?
Boasting sila. Ibig sabihin, kanang tawag ni confident kayo sila na may tapo ni sila.
Overconfidence ang problema.
Okay.
Tapos,
Overconfidence kayo. But instead, verse 15. Okay. Instead, you ought to say. Sige.
Instead, you ought to say, if the Lord wills, we shall live and do this or that.
Yan na. Ibig sabihin, sa what does it mean nga nga kwan? Nga phrase. Instead, you ought to say, if the Lord's will, we will live and do this for
Total dependence to the will of God.
Okay, meaning, gina-acknowledge mo, gina-acknowledge nila si God na ginabuhin. Kasi ito siya, if the Lord's will, thy will be done, ano ba? Kung may tabong mali, okay, ako rin, continue. Okay. Then, 16.
But now you boast in your arrogance.
Na.
All such boasting is evil.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin na
Boasting.
boasting.
Dili. Ikaw ano nga, ikaw na makorekta.
Boasting. Empty
Ikaw
or
na.
empty talk. Presumption. Kanang which trust
Sa'yo,
in its
mga
own
binigay.
power and resources.
Ay, masakto naman ni Ron.
Kanang wala na sila na-depend sa Ginoo mo ba sa ilang own na ako
Own understanding.
understanding.
Trust
Knowledge.
in its own power, resources.
And shamefully despises and violates divine laws and human rights. Sila na good.
Okay.
So, therefore,
Sige.
therefore, to him who knows to do good.
Okay. Ganong ginatawag niya nga, all such boasting is evil.
Ay, nga ng evil.
Ganong evil pa ng boasting.
Big time.
Dautan yun ang pagpanghambog.
Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ay ng boasting. Evil man. Ha? Sa lahat sila.
Wala ko na pagkatunggan.
Boasting.
Oh.
The act of
Sword na na.
Kapan ko
download mo.
we
Sword.
glorify God. Glorify niya. Self. Okay. Okay. Sige. Sumuotay na.
Anong i-consider siya na evil
Okay.
and also lacking belief on the existence of
In other
God.
words, is ginag-credit mo lang yung tanan sa iyong sarili.
The neglect siya of independence to providence of God.
Okay. Sige.
Gina-neglect niya kay overconfident pa siya sa iyansa.
Okay.
So,
Whatever.
last verse niya. And therefore, to him who knows to do good and does not do it, to him it is sin. So, sa'yo, ay, sa opas. Lagi.
Okay, sige. Kung sa'yo subject diya, sa'yo ginapag-usapan diya.
Boasting.
Boasting. Kung sa klaseng boasting
About,
sa ba?
boasting about tomorrow.
Wordly.
Okay, boasting about?
Tomorrow. Ay, so,
Okay na, question
sa,
4. Okay na, question 4. Why, how,
why I am so boastful? I don't know, why,
Sa ba niya siya? Warning ba niya siya? Warning? Yes, warning ni. Oh, warning ni, di ba?
Warning.
Why?
Why boasting?
Is evil.
as in or
Oh,
even.
sige. Why?
Boasting is evil.
Boasting
Is evil.
about tomorrow.
Consider as sin.
Tomorrow asin.
Parang ano na siya compliment?
Ayun. Ito yung consider.
Kasi may problem din na. Nag-boast sila about tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So, kasi dapat subject.
Boasting.
Kasi sulti, basta daw. Come now you who say today or tomorrow we will go into this town, this or that town and spend here and do profit. You do not know. So, kini siyang come now is boasting about tomorrow. So, kung sa may dapat question, why?
How?
Okay, tama na itong why. Why?
Why boasting?
No.
Remember, balikan niyo sila. Why they not, o sa they, o sa... Ano sigurado sila sila?
Why should they?
Why should they?
Sama.
Boasting.
Not or ano?
Dili ko siya pwede mahimo ko sa pala ng reminder lang.
Hindi ba? Kay subject pa ka.
Warning ni. Sige, remind
So,
mo.
kung sa'yo tuyo ni James Annie, anong yan yung isulti? Para dili sila
Boasting.
maghinambog. So, ang subject, why should they not boast about tomorrow? Ito ba?
Because,
Ano?
yan na, sa verse, no?
Why should they not boast about tomorrow?
Yes, naman.
About tomorrow.
Kung saan naman daw hindi dapat sila maghinambog sa umma.
Because they are just
No, gano'n din. Ako na siya. Ako ang ganang yan explanation. Pero gano'n daw. Kung saan ito ba? Sin. So, because it is a sin.
Because boasting.
sa complement ano siya.
Oh,
Complement yan.
complement.
Boasting is a sin.
James warns
Sige,
warns the
warns his readers
to not to boast
about tomorrow.
About tomorrow because it is a sin. God,
Tomorrow
God
because it is a sin.
wants his people.
Warns all readers.
not to boast about
Ay, parang matuluan. Makuan ko ano.
kay gawa sa Wednesday, December 4.
Volunteer condition. Kanos A ba ka? Kanos A. Nga nagkakaroon ng boasting. O kanos A nagiging boasting. Sa ba? Boastful. When did we... Sige daw. Okay, volunteer condition. Pero sa ba? May kitang boastful.
Ano ay
When we are going to be boss.
Overconfident.
Overconfident. Overconfident. Pero saan naman yung overconfident?
Kung
Daghan
daghan ka mga successful na
Kailangan mga accomplishments.
Oo, accomplishments. Ano pa? Sa ministry, sa ministry.
Sa ministry. Word na.
Ikaw ang gwapo.
Sa ministry. Pag ako na ng position daw.
Posisyon.
Ano daw ka, backup secretary.
Nagsaling na
Ano
ganun.
siya, ano no? Polling condition.
Pwede mo maano na siya aking mga motive na gawin dahil ka pwedeng ma-applyan sa boss school. Okay, una ikaw preacher, ikaw una hindi mo pamuntahan yung sa gilid. Kasi sa mga yung boss school. Bago siya ito audience. Okay na.